a stolen truck parked here last night. It's crazy. It's gonna be good enough for me. No more rust. It ain't perfect, but once it's painted, I'll be out of my mind. Oh shit. So here's Michael.
Hey.
He's got his Rav4 98 3 SFE all jacked up here with the old man emu kit and lift blocks and
yeah.
What else? What?
Just that's all that's been done to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all that mud. He just got back from a trip through the mountains, and now we're gonna hop in the Caldina GTT and go buy another Rav4. And I think I'm gonna have to do this lift on it when it comes back. So you know what I say, Rav for life. And Rav4 life is good. Ready to go for a rip, bud?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. Exactly 75 bucks. It doesn't happen often for 50 liters. Holy moly. Caldina, you hurt. Beautiful. It hurts. Yeah, it's just tight. So yeah, this is pretty dirty. We're gonna head to the car wash and clean this all out. I love pressure washing engines. It's fun. It's like a toxic steam bath in there when you get going. All right, so we got like another hour and a half or something to get back to Calgary?
Yeah.
All right, let's boogie, man.
What do you see? I don't know. You said the timing belt was done recently, but that's when it said it was done last.
Next replacement recommended at never. Interesting. Yeah, who knows? Maybe you just didn't write it down.
Didn't you say it was done last year?
Maybe.
Just put almost 100,000 on it in less than a year.
Wow. But it does sound like it runs really well.
Yeah.
Stick the prop rod up there and start it up, and then we'll let these guys hear how it runs too. And how many kilometers on this?
Oh no, 436.
436. Oh yeah. But yeah, it does sound really good. It's quiet. There's no ticking or anything. Good old 3 SFE. Lucky to get that strut power bar on this one too. Michael, also, you grabbed yours from the scrapyard too, right? That's what I did too. Now I finally got one with it. All right, well, sounds good. Let's hit the road, Jack.